called Frog Rock up ahead. Whoops. Uh-oh. What could it be though? Frog Rock.
My gut tells me it's
Oh hey, look! Up there.
What?
It's a rock, looks like a frog.
Oh
Hard
my
left,
gosh.
up on the hill. Did you see it?
Yes.
There's nowhere to pull over there. Did y'all see that? Barely, huh?
Frog Rock.
It definitely was Frog Rock. I'm glad I turned the camera on. Check out this view, this campsite. Amazing. Sorry about the wind. Dave's out here sharpening tools. You got a nice view.
Not too shabby.
Not too shabby. This is Eureka Campground. This is near Eddyville, Kentucky.
Not to be mistaken with Irene's hometown of Eddyville, Oregon.
Eddyville, Oregon.
They appear about the same size.
Well, I think Eddyville, Oregon's even smaller. Yes, you heard that right. We're in Kentucky. We drove through Illinois.
Well, it took like 5 minutes.
And now we're in Kentucky. Wait, was there another state in between there?
No?
No, okay. Well, we're on our way to Tennessee.
Yeah.
For some leaf peeping.
We'll be in Tennessee tomorrow.
Yeah. Yep, this is a great campground.
It's the Army Corps of Engineer campground, and we're staying a couple more the next 2 nights. I think if I could stay at the Army Corps of Engineer campgrounds all the time, I would. We've had such great luck with them.
Yeah, they're excellent. You're going to be working on some carving.
Yes.
Do you want to show them the 2 that you made from that one bent
Do you want me
log?
to?
Yeah.
That was a hint.
No, because they're super cool. I love these 2 pieces. He made both these pieces from the same piece of wood. He can tell you about this though. So, what do we got?
So it was a cherry branch about that big around, about that long, but it had a nice curve in it. The end was bent, which makes for really good ladles. So that's what this came from. You split the log in half, and then you can see where the grain continues around, which makes it very strong. If the grain was straight this way the whole time, these tips could chip off. So when you find a good bent branch, it's nice to make a ladle. And then the other half was a smaller half. So I just made a, I don't know, iced teaspoon.
Yeah, look at the handles on these though, you guys. Whoops, too blurry. Too close. Really cool. And this is all done with an axe and knife. That's it.
No sandpaper.
No sanding.
Takes a very sharp knife.
Yeah.
So this is about 4,000 grit, and then I'll do 6,000 grit, and then I'll use a leather strop with polishing compound. Then you can shave with it.
Is that your intent?
And if you chop a finger off, you wouldn't even feel it. It's very sharp.
Yeah, well, bonus. I am going to be working on my clay. I've had it out, I think 2 more times since I've talked to you guys. I will show you my progression because it's been remarkable, actually. No more fried egg flowers. Yeah, it's been really fun. So I'm gonna experiment a little bit today, and then I'll kind of show you my progress I'm making on that little craft. It's been really fun. All right, I'm gonna get to the clay. You're gonna work on your carving.
Back to sharpening.
Okay. He's hard at it with his sharp tools now. What are we working on?
I'm working on a piece of plum wood that we got from your brother's dying tree in Oregon.
Yeah.
Kind of funky little wormholes probably.
Yeah.
But make a cool little coffee scoop.
Definitely.
Not a bad place to hang out.
It's definitely not. Thank goodness it's cooled off now. I know that sounds crazy, but it's been hot. We've been hot.
90 and humid.
Yeah, so today's the first day we haven't had the AC going. Just have fans on and windows open, so.
But weather's changing.
I feel like a spider's on me.
No, it's...
Oh! Oh no, it was a string. It's a string. Felt like a spider though. Okay, well I'll show you what I've been working on. So I'll show you progression pictures, right? Do you remember my cracked egg earrings, flower earrings? Maybe you don't. I don't know how the lighting is in here. Okay, these were the first ones I made. The flowers that look like cracked eggs and these flowers, that was day one. And then my second attempt were these leaves and mushrooms and these guys, and then these. And then my last attempt were these little poppies. I kind of like how those turned out, actually. Take them out to the light. There we go, that looks better. I actually really like these. Now these aren't finished, they're baked, but they're not sanded or buffed or anything, so there's still work to be done on them. And today's project are these guys. I'm just practicing more petals, kind of see how that was gonna work for me. I still have to bake them, so I haven't even baked these yet, and I have no idea how that's gonna turn out. Here, I'll show you in the light. There we go. I don't know, they kind of look like an orchid to me, so I like those. So I'm gonna throw these in the oven, see how they turn out. Petals are pretty thin. I don't know how they're gonna cook up, but we'll find out. And my trusty sidekick, yes, ever the supervisor. This is what happens though. Look at this giant mess. I just have a mess everywhere. What do you do? I mean, it's just my way. Okay, I just baked these and pulled these out. I think they're darn cute. I'm pretty happy with those.
Wow, honey.
Yeah. Like I said, I don't know for sure what they're gonna be. They could be earrings. I don't know. But they were fun.
Dangly ones.
Long dangly ones.
I made a wonky spoon.
That's really cool.
That's some wonky wood. So I'm starting. It's just roughed out. These are just roughed out.
Yeah.
They'll dry and then I'll finish them up.
Yeah.
My hands hurt.
Yeah, my brain's done for the day. This takes a lot of brain power. Especially when you don't know what you're doing.
That's beautiful.
I'm pretty happy with those. I mean, the progression from my fried eggs to those, pretty remarkable.
Yeah. That's the way it works. My first spoons were ugly.
Yeah, you gotta start somewhere. Following my own advice and being patient.
Good for you.
Pistol, not patient. This girl needs some beans. You need some beans?
Of course she is.
Okay, let's see. How about you get all the rest of the beans? Will that do ya? Dinner time. This is weird dinner, but not that unusual for us. We eat like toddlers sometimes and just have a snack plate of whatever we have in the fridge. So, yeah, this is what tonight looks like. I love dinners like that, actually. Tomorrow we're moving a little bit northeast of Nashville, Tennessee. We are not going into Nashville because just looking at that place on a map scares me. So, yeah, we're not going to be driving into Nashville. So we're going to avoid Nashville, kind of go up over the top and land on the east side. It's another
Corps of Engineer
campground. So that's where we're headed tomorrow. I think we have some rain coming in tomorrow morning. So it might be a rainy day tomorrow. We'll just have to wake up and find out. That's okay. We can get cozy in the camper. You hoping for a morsel to drop?
Oh my God.
Poor thing. All right, we'll see you guys in the morning. We got rain. Uh-oh, I got rain on the lens. Is that better? I don't know. I don't have my glasses on. I can't see. Yes. Good morning. We have rain. I'm not even mad about it.
This is a bunch of BS.
Now it feels like fall. It's sweater weather.
It's so crazy. Went from so hot 2 days ago to this.
It's not cold though, particularly. Just wet.
No.
Yeah, so we got about a 3-hour drive today, I think, because we're heading to the east side of Nashville. And to do that, we're spending a little time on the freeway, and then we're gonna get off the freeway and avoid Nashville altogether and go up over top. So that's our plan today. Not a lot going on. Just gonna cruise.
Just gonna cruise. See what we can see.
See what we can see.
Let's get off the freeway soon and just kind of poke along through some small towns.
Sounds good.
Find some coffee and a scone.
Man, scones are hard to come by. We're just gonna have to have a traveling scone business. I actually think they're not a popular bakery item, so people don't make them. That would be my guess.
What's wrong with people?
I don't know. I gotta go back to Douglas, Wyoming for that espresso scone, though. I'm telling you guys, you gotta do it. I would travel across the country for a scone.
Really?
Not really, but I'd be tempted. All right, let's hit the road, Jack.
Let's hit the road, Jack.
Good morning, baby. You got wet and you didn't like it. Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.